Today guys, i-unbox natin itong Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier for Lite. Kunin ko muna blade ko. Open. Dito ang kanyang charging adapter. Some styrofoam. Angatin ko na siya. Bari muna natin. Andito sa loob ng kanyang manual, should you need to read it. So ano nga ba kayang i-cover nito? It can filter pet hair, pollen, cigarette smoke, odor, and particulate matter 2.5. All you need to do is just press these two side button, angat nyo, para makita nyo ang kanyang filter. Ito ang filter. Meron siyang tatlong stage, no? Primary filter, high efficiency filter, and high quality activated carbon filter para matanggal mga baho. Ang cute, no? Parang mukha lang siya basurahan. Normally, ang filter nito lasts for mga 6 months to 8 months, depende sa usage mo. Ang nagbibilang dito ang kanyang hours of usage. So what's nice about this one? Kaya na mag-filter ng particulate na matter CADR of 360 cubic meter per hour. High efficiency filter. Meron siyang activated carbon para matanggal mga baho. It is smart app controlled using the Xiaomi Home app. And kaya na mag-cover up to 43 square meter ng bahay. Imagine, light lang to. This is the smallest variant. And ganun kalaking room ang kaya na i-cover. Sulit. To start it, ikabit lang natin ang adapter. Ayan, kita natin mag-on na yan. Touch sensitive siya, no, guys? So, ang power niya nakadepends dito. Touch lang siya. And this one is yung kanyang wind. So, pwede ka mag-select between automatic, night mode, and yung favorite mode. So, makita natin inside my room, it's 30. So, pinaka-cleanest na na-achieve ko dito sa room ko is around mga 4. Then, ang temperature ko is 28 degrees Celsius and 75% ang kanyang humidity. Lahat na to pwede mo makontrol via Xiaomi Home app. And it's very easy. Pwede mo i-set ang timer, set mo mga condition, and a lot more. Now, this one is perfect for office, for bahay, for small rooms. 43 square meter, kaya na i-cover. Lalo kung meron kayong mga bata, mga matanda sa bahay, protect them from this pandemic. This one, the Xiaomi na Smart Air Purifier for Lite is the way to go. And if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, link on the description. I-turn off na natin.